So, Romans 8 chapter verse 31.
1, 2, 3, go.
What then shall we say to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us?
Against us.
Against mo.
Against na.
He who did not spare his own son, but delivered him up for us all, how shall he not with him also freely give us all things? Who shall bring a charge against God's elect? It is God who justifies. Who is the condemned? It is Christ who died, and furthermore is also risen, who is even at the right hand of God, who also makes intercession for us. Who shall separate us from the love of Christ? Shall tribulation or distress or persecution or famine or nakedness or